Let's go back to mid 2014, 10 years ago. On an episode of Raw, one of the biggest and most influential, quite possibly the most influential moments in WWE history took place: the implosion of the Shield. Seth Rollins, in a huge, shocking moment, turned on Roman Reigns and Dean Ambrose and joined Triple H's evolution. Fast forward to tonight. Seth Rollins and Sami Zayn came face to face on WWE Raw. And Sami Zayn finally said what everyone wanted Seth Rollins to hear. The monster that Seth Rollins has been talking about for quite some time now, Roman Reigns, was created by none other than him 10 years ago on WWE Raw when he turned on him and Dean Ambrose. Roman Reigns spent the past 4 years being WWE's biggest heel, bad guy, and Seth Rollins called him out on it on multiple occasions, not knowing that he was the one responsible for Roman Reigns becoming that monster. Sami Zayn finally called out Seth Rollins for the same tonight on Raw, and WWE Universe applauded him for it. And what did Seth Rollins say to Sami Zayn in response? He said to Sami Zayn that he has apologized for attacking the Shield over the years to both Roman Reigns, Dean Ambrose, as well as the WWE Universe. Seth Rollins then said to Sami Zayn, if he is talking about putting a chair in someone's back, then he should look in the mirror, because Sami Zayn did the same to Roman Reigns last year. And this is where Seth Rollins is completely wrong. These are completely different situations. Back when Seth Rollins turned on the Shield, turned on Roman Reigns and Dean Ambrose, he did it on his own volition. He wanted to become the best, to be associated with the best. He wanted to remove himself from the Shield. He wanted to betray his brothers. And that's why he turned on the Shield 10 years ago. And on the other hand, Sami Zayn, he attacked Roman Reigns with a chair during the final moments of Royal Rumble 2023 last year. And why did Sami Zayn did this? Because Roman Reigns and the Bloodline were beating the heck out of his friend, his then ex-friend Kevin Owens, while he was tied to the ring helpless. And Roman Reigns forced Sami Zayn to beat his ex-friend as well. When Sami Zayn didn't do it, Roman Reigns berated him in front of the whole world. And that's what made Sami Zayn attack Roman Reigns in front of millions of fans. So these two situations are completely different, and Seth Rollins on tonight's edition of Raw was stupid to call out Sami Zayn for attacking Roman Reigns with a chair just like he did 10 years ago.